Good morning children. In previous class we learnt about what is agriculture, what is meant by crops, and also discussed about various stages in agriculture and agriculture tools and seeds importance and agriculture. We learned these topics. Children, in this session we will have to learn remaining topics in our agriculture crops lesson. Okay children, let us know about sustainable farming. Children, look at the picture. Mallesham is cultivating 10 acres of land. He is doing sustained farming without depending on others for seeds and fertilizers. He is cultivating mulberry in 5 acres, maize in half an acre, and crops like ginger and turmeric and another half an acre in intercrops. He is growing green fodder in 3 acres. Children, do you know what is meant by intercrops? The growing more than one crop in the same place and at the same time is called intercropping. And he also cultivating vegetables like brinjal, tomato and flowers varieties like jasmine, marigold and roses in 1 acre. He is preparing compost and vermicompost with the help of earthworms. He is also preparing insecticides from the neem oil and panchagavya and such other products. He has raised his crop production by using organic fertilizers and organic insecticides. Children, panchagavya is a manure in a liquid form. It is not only a manure but also a pesticide. Panchagavya is prepared by using cow dung and urine, milk, curd and ghee, banana, coconut and jaggery. All these are mixed with water spread in the field. Along with the Panchagavya, he is also using another manure called Jivamrut, which is used as manure and also helps in increasing microorganisms that make the soil fertile. Jivamrut is made using cow dung, urine, soil, jaggery, pulses powder and water. Further, he has a dairy farm with the 10 cows, a poultry farm and also rears silkworms on his farm. In his poultry farm, he has been rearing layers for eggs and boilers for meat. There is a pond near the dairy farm in which he grows fish. He also rearing ducks and country chickens in his farm. Mallesham's income has increased due to the cultivation of different crops in additional to dairy and poultry. Mallesham says that if he cultivates monocrops, not only the fertility of the soil will reduce wild. Due to his different practices, he earns more money and also he provides employment to others. Children, think once and discuss with your friends. How could Mallesham get more wild in his farm? What is he doing to protect the crops from insects? Why did he cultivate intercrops in his farm? Why did he rear ducks, poultry and cows in his farm? According to the Mallesham, is farming a good or a bad profession? Why? What is your opinion on Mallesham's agriculture practices? Children, it's time to know about pesticides. Farmers usually spray pesticides to protect crops from the insects and to get a good yield. Due to the overuse of pesticides, the insects are becoming resistant. This also lead to food poisoning. Eating food items which are exposed to the excess pesticides may cause cancer and other diseases. Children, what are biopesticides? Why should we use them? Instead of using chemical pesticides, it would be better to use biopesticides, which are made of different organic materials like green chili, garlic and neem oil, tobacco decoction, Vitex, Panchagavya, Jeevamrut, and so and so. Use of chemical pesticides may increase the production for sometimes, but it kills useful insects along with the harmful ones. Soil fertility decreases gradually with the usage of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. It also increases soil and atmospheric pollution. Children, let us discuss about kinds of crops. Children, look at the picture on the screen. It shows about the details of the different crops grown in different districts in our state. Okay children, different kind of crops are grown in our state. Rice, wheat, jowar, maize, pulses, oil seeds, vegetables and fruits are some of the crops grown. They are called food crops. Cotton, jute and mirchi are also grown. They are called commercial or cash crops. We can see the same crops in the different varieties. In jowar, we see yellow and white varieties. Similarly, there are many varieties in paddy, chili and red ground. Different crops need different climate conditions to grow. The duration also different from crop to crop. In some cases, it takes 2 or 3 months. In other, it takes 6 months. Rice, jowar, groundnut take 4 months. Rice needs more water, whereas jowar and groundnuts need less water. Jowar and groundnut are rain feed crops. Crop period for red gram is 6 months. It is also rain feed crop. Children, this is a complete information about agriculture and crops lesson in our 5th class standard EVS. Thank you.